Kani kediga bati CTV, mat pidang pek yaki kubur baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
Hadian baka sarkar jala kala shimkya banit shawno ikinong shongnong ki basakot jabar ka jala bat haki jala jong athan jatila mingi. Haka step jong ka khatar trek mantabna jembang arajar arpau. Lai phongot ki samla ki bapule haka jala Rajasthan. Kilawan poi syakanong ba Shillong. Hadian balawan kit iki dakawai ka bas. Kane ka bas kadai ka ba ningkong na ki jala ki bana sabar jong kane ka than jatila mingi banwan kit ikinong shongnong ka jala Meghalaya. Hadian baka sarkar karkhang snong hakari India hi barokawai. Kaban sakot hadu ka khatnyo trek mantabna jembang arajar arpau. Kane ka bas kadai ka balami na kasnong kota Rajasthan. Bat kala simpor hadu saus ngi kanthi banwan poi syakani kanong ba Shillong. Yakini ki lai phongot ki samla pole bakan thop yonongnya jongane ka boss bat arngot kinong bot la pendap ye ka rapid test shua bakin rong sepo kanong ba Shillong bat la batha ru yaki bakin bot ranti ye ka jing batha jong katnat ka kot ka khia.
I am a medical student from Kota, Rajasthan, and I have been staying there for almost 1 year, and due to unforeseen conditions there I have to leave there because most of the students have already left Kota and we students of Meghalaya were only students left there, but with the help of Naveen Maheshwari sir and Alan, we are finally home, and those people have provided everything for our journey till here. The food, the water supplies, everything, whatever we needed for our journey, we got it till here. And even the government of Meghalaya have helped us to reach till our homes by providing us local transport. We are very grateful to the government of Meghalaya as well as to the Kota administration and government of Rajasthan for helping us to be here. We have reached here around 6:30 in the morning. Basically, we have done screening in every border, all the states, but we have done blood tests in Barnihat and we have done screening even in Umiam. And now they have provided us with local transportation here in Shillong. We came 33 of us. 28 of us they dropped. They came to Shillong, and few of them they dropped in. We dropped them in Tura. So they wanted to go to Garo Hills, so we dropped them in Tura and they came here. We were almost stuck for 1.5 months, and we were doing our best to get a transport so that we could come to Meghalaya or get out from Kota, because the condition out there was very bad, and the hostel owners, they were treating us like as if we are not people anymore. And when we even complain, they are not even taking it seriously. Then they are like, the conditions are very bad, we'll provide you only dal and only chapatis, and we were complaining, but it wasn't making an effect on them. It doesn't have any effect on them. So at last Ellen heard us. Even it happens in Kota, it's a channel. They heard us and they published it that Meghalaya students also need to return home. So yeah, finally we are here. Proper instruction, we have got a proper diary with all instruction written there, and they have given us a card. So we have to make daily entries there if we are sick, having cold, fever, and difficulty in breathing and all.
Kena nampak Kota Rajasthan kedai simtang ke permission ke government Meghalaya. Adi Meghalaya permission ki organize di Paramaki di yuat fai ini sipo Meghalaya jungi begitu poi benda step. Adi ni bara 15 minute step apa berlihat nale lo dia ki advisory protocol baru pada screen iki. But kimdan iweru badan dengan simptom. Jadi nak terkadau apabila poi badan dengan simptom, apa beki benda jaga home quarantine. Kum ka jing suatu kujongan nomor ba mencuala dan guma simna hiteng lu dan ki beriu gwan nado dan tai napo Haryana. Kimdan dengan gwan dan kali lejong we private wan syawi kalok nang ni nasional. Bagadiga mengikai. Tiga wan syawi ka ki wan nado nang tay na ko harnam dan screening sabar lain tang lapoi ko 3 point yang berdihat ki screen war kata ru khamsa manung ko tinggi sa daga health department nang ni daga kali jong health department ni sedibu iki ya ka lok yang itu giyu cantik ko entry point juga entry and exit point juga berdihat menta ki banwan ngin poi de ki khatlai khat sawajar bangi ke quarantine center jungi ngidon hapo 1000 li inamla man penbiang lu dia baro ande kata ru ngi ong ya kinu ki momdan ke jaka ke biang bansa lagi jong gi ngisap kibdan ke space ke biang kibdan ke jaka ke biang kibun bahayeng si para di kibun bahayeng ngisap Tikum kita dan kidu-kidu kiba ai jing tip jaga sarkar penyitu sarkar lingba ke jing yarap lam jung kasno ni pa be je kiru sipo quarantine center kumalap ngaku ke kies lipo namun so tikitu kiba yeng kilawan siwan non ong sanga lingba jung rong badong lingba jung kasno bagi imna jaka benbu ayeng dia sobha se benbu yaki hapo ka quarantine center tinggi na le ikata ke badun kam mamar kimbiam bersahi